Hello guys, welcome to the KP Academy. Today in this video we will see how to draw parts of footstep bearing, how to draw assembly of footstep bearing, and how to draw sectional front view and top view. So these are the parts given to us. One part is flange, the dimensions are given here. This is front view and this is top view. Next part is bush, the top view is given here and front view is given here. Next part is shaft, fourth part is disc, and fifth one is pin. So these are the 5 parts of this footstep bearing. So one by one we will see how to draw these parts. So first of all we will draw this flange. So we will make that in Inventor software. So this is my Inventor software. I will click here new. You have to select this metric, then standard for mm because unit is millimeter here, then create. So this new window will open here. Then we have to select this, click on this 2D sketch. Now you can select any plane here. I will select this. Now here we have to draw that flange. So if you see here, there is a base plate of 200 mm length, 18 mm thickness and 130 mm width. So first of all I will draw one rectangle of 200 mm and 130, and later on I will extrude that rectangle by 18 mm to make a base plate. So first of all, so this is here, it is rectangle. Select this center point, enter here 130 as a width, and to make the length click tab option on the keyboard and enter 200. Okay. So here it is my rectangle. Finish this sketch and then click here extrude. Here I have to enter 18 mm, right, because thickness of this base plate is how much? 18 mm. Click here OK, and this is your base plate. Now on this base plate there is a one cylindrical like structure of external diameter 94, and there are various internal diameters. So 68 mm for 15, 71 mm for 40, and again 68 for 15. Okay. So for that purpose select this face on which we will draw one external diameter 94, and select this, create new sketch. Click here. Now select this circle, select this center point and enter diameter 94. Okay. Again select here inner diameter, what is that? 68. Okay. So this is 68, right. Finish sketch and now extrude. So I have to extrude this part, so I will click here, and the distance is how much? It is 15, 40 and 15. So total is how much? 70. So enter here 70. So this is my 70 length, right. Now so inside diameter I have taken as 78, but for 40 mm in between at the center, so 40 mm for 40 mm length, the diameter is how much? 71, right. So how to do that? Let us see here. What I will do is to make that 71 mm diameter inside. So what I will do is I will click this face and I will offset this plane. I will offset this face for 15 mm because the distance is how much? This one, 15 mm, right. So I will select this one. Here is the option offset from plane. So click here, and by 15 mm I have to offset that plane. So here it is my new plane on which I have to draw one circle. So this is 15 mm. Click OK. Now here I have to draw one sketch on this work plane number 1. So click this work plane and click here create sketch. Now the diameter, inside diameter is how much? It is 71. So select the circle and select this center point and enter diameter 71. Okay. सो अगर आप लोगों को स्केच देखना है, सो यू कैन क्लिक हियर स्लाइस ग्राफिक्स, सो दैट इज व्हाट दिस स्केच इज. Okay, so click here finish sketch and then extrude. Now here we have to remove the material for distance 40 mm. So enter the distance here 40 mm and we have to remove the material, inside material. So here it is cut option. Okay, and now if you see here the direction is downward, but I want that in upward direction, so I can click here reverse option. So click here OK. So now if you see here the part is like this, right? It is like this. So 70 mm, 71 mm inside diameter, part 40, here it is 60 and again here it is 68. ठीक है. देन वर्क प्लेन अगर विजिबिलिटी उसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो दिस इज माई पार्ट. लेटर ऑन here I have to draw 4 slots on this face. Okay, so these are the slots and dimensions of the slots are given here. Okay, so from this side it is 30, from this side it is 28. Okay, so select this face, create sketch, right? See the dimensions again. So in from this side it is 30. Okay, so from this side it is 30. So what I will do is I will make this, first of all I will make project geometry here and later on I will make one line from this. It is 30. No, it is 4 in this side it is 30 and it is in this side 28. Okay, so this is the center actually for that slot, right? Now here there is an option for making a slot. So center, I will select this center point. Okay, because here we have drawn one center point of the slot, right? So this is my slot here, right? अभी यहाँ पे ये डिस्टेंस कितना डालना है ये देखने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे जाते हैं. So this is my slot there. The dimension of slot are given here. The dimensions given in the drawing are, this is 20 total length of the slot, right? And radius of this slot is given 7.5. So actually diameter is given 15, so this becomes radius 7.5 and here also in this direction 7.5. So total distance from this to this one, how much? 7.5. From this one, this to this one 7.5. So total distance is 15. This one and this one. So in between जो distance बनेगा वो 5 का बनेगा and I want to enter the distance from this point to this point, so it becomes 2.5, right? So I will enter the distance here, how much? 2.5, and later next distance is diameter of that slot. What is the diameter? 15 mm, right? So in this way you can make that slot. Now here I do not want this line. Which line? जो मैंने सेंटर निकालने के लिए क्रिएट किया था. So this line I don't want, I will delete this. This line I don't want, I will delete this, right? Now I want this sketch in 4 numbers, right? That too here, here and here. So to do that I have one rectangular pattern, right? What pattern I have to pattern? This sketch. This sketch I have to pattern, right? So select this sketch. Now direction. So to select this direction, click here. So before that, click here project geometry and here also project geometry. Okay, then select this rectangular pattern, select this one, sketch. So direction, see first direction, but it shows downward, but I want that in upper direction, right? So click here flip option, so it will change the direction, right? Second direction is what? Here it is. So I want this in right side direction. Now here I have to enter the distance between the two sketches, right? So how to decide that? If you see here, the center distance is how much? 28. Here from here also it becomes 28. So from 200 distance, because total length is 200, so from 200 I will subtract 28 and from here 28. So it becomes 144 distance. So I have to enter 144 distance in this side. So here it is 144. Okay. Now next distance is what I want from this point to this point distance, right? So from 130 subtract this 30 in this side and 30 in this side, right? So total becomes 70. So enter this distance 70, right? So if you see here, the sketch is like this, right? So in this way you can make that sketch. Now finish the sketch. Now extrude it. First of all this sketch, then second one this one, and last one is in this side, right? This way, right? But I do not want the pillar, I want the holes there, right? So click here, cut material, and that too throughout. So click OK button, right? So you can see here the slots are there, holes, right? Now later on, add here there is a pinhole of diameter 4 mm and 6 mm deep, okay, and the distance of this pinhole from the center is 15. Here it is, okay. So select this face, top surface of the base plate, create sketch, right, and take a line command, and from the center take 15 mm distance, okay, and at the end point of this line I want to make one 4 mm circle to make a hole, right? I do not want this line, so I will select and delete it. Finish sketch and extrude. Automatically it will select that sketch. So I want to cut the material and for 6 mm, right? So click here, cut, and click OK. So if you see here, the hole is like this. This is hole, right? That is pinhole. Okay. Later on, there is one sunk recess. If you see here, this is the sunk recess, whose depth is 8, width is 3, and here is again 8 here. The dimension is not shown here, but it is 8. Okay. So to do that, I will select this face, right, and create sketch. Now I want to make here, not in this side, because that sunk recess in the direction in the side of this hole, pinhole only, right? So select this line command there, project geometry first, right, line command, from this line, from this point make a 3 here distance, and in this direction it is 4, because total width is how much, 8, and here it is, make it up to the circle, right? But before the circle I will end, and from this direction also it is 4, right, and up to this line I will end here, right? I want these two lines up to the circle, so for that purpose I will make this, I will use this command extend. Select this line and select this line, okay. I do not want this line, so delete it. Finish sketch, right, extrude. Now select this sketch, right. I want to make the depth of that slot sunk recess of dimension 8. So cut material, click OK. So here it is the sunk recess, okay. So in this way we can make a flange. Now again there is a fillet of radius 6 mm, right? So how to do that, let us discuss here. So this is option fillet, click here, select this edge and make a radius of 6, right, apply and cancel. So you can see here, this way we can make a flange. Next part is bush. The dimensions are given here. The external diameter of the bush at the base is 68 for 15 mm. At the center it is 65, right, for 40, and here for 15 again 68, and at the top for 12 it is 78. Okay, so to do that, click here new, metric, standard, and create. Select 2D sketch, select this plane, right, circle command, and from the center the distance is how much? 68, right. Finish sketch and then extrude it by how much? It is 50, right. And from the top face of this, make a 65, circle of 65, and finish sketch, again extrude it by 40, right, 40, and again from this face, again how much? 68, right, 68, finish sketch, then extrude for 15, right. So this way I can make it, right. Again up to this we have drawn, and from here again there is a 12 mm for diameter 78, right. So select this face, select one, and diameter is 78, right. Finish sketch, and we have to extrude it by 12. Okay, we have to extrude it by 12, right. Now there is a inside diameter 50 here, throughout inside diameter 50, right. So select this face, create sketch, and circle, inside diameter is 50, enter it, finish sketch, and again extrude. But now we have to remove the material throughout, so select this as a cut and take this and drag it up to the bottom side like this. Okay, click OK button. So if you see here, it is like this, right. Later on here there is a again 65 mm hole, right. There is again 65 mm hole up to the depth of 8 from the top side, right. So select this face, create sketch, the dimension is how much? 65. Okay, so circle, then 65, finish sketch, then extrude it by, and cut material, we have to cut the material for 8 mm, isn't it? So here it is 8. Okay, so for 8 mm I have to cut the material. So in this way I can make it like this. Okay, later on there is a sunk of 8 mm wide. Okay, so here it is, छोटा सा पार्ट यहाँ पे आप लोग को दिख रहा है, that is the part, उसका डायमेंशन है 3, width is 3 and 8 mm wide. Okay, so let us draw it, and that part I can draw on this face. ये जो आप लोगों को यहाँ पे फेस दिख रहा है, on this face I can make it. So click this face and create sketch. Okay, now slice graphics करूँगा मैं, तो ताकि आपको अच्छी तरह से विजुअलाइज हो जाए कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, राइट. तो ये मेरा लाइन है, तो फ्रॉम दिस लाइन आई विल ड्रॉ 3 mm, in this side 4 mm, and from this one up to the circle I want to make. So before the circle only I will finish, and from this one it is again 4 because total width is 8 there, and from here again it is how much? Up to the circle. So before circle I will end here. Now I have to make these two lines up to the circle, so I will use this extend command. One line, second line, right? Now ये line मुझे नहीं चाहिए, so delete it and then finish sketch. Okay, now extrude. अब ये जो sketch है, I can select this sketch and I want that up to the 8 mm, so it is automatically coming there. So 8 mm. So if not, you can enter 8 mm, right? So click this OK. So in this way, here is the bush part. So ये जो sunk रेसेस है, sunk part है, ये बैठेगा वहाँ पे फ्लैंज में. So फ्लैंज में हम लोगों ने sunk रेसेस बनाया था, वहाँ पे वो बैठ जाएगा. Okay. What is next part? The next part is shaft. Again, new, standard and create. Okay. The shaft is how much? Inside the diameter of the shaft is, here it is 50, at the top it is 64. So select 2D sketch, here it is circle and first one 50, right? Finish sketch and we have to extrude it for 72. Here it is 72, right? So make it 72 here. So this way. Okay, and at the top here we can select create sketch, because upper diameter is how much? 64, and that too for infinite length. So we can select any length. Okay, so circle, the diameter is 64, finish sketch, extrude, I'll take here 40. Okay, the length is 40, extrude length is 40. Okay, now at the end of this shaft, the core like structure is there of radius 60. So to do that, what I will do is, you can carefully see here, go to this origin and select one plane perpendicular to this body. So I'll select this YZ plane. Okay, select this YZ plane and click here create sketch. Okay, click here create sketch. अभी यहाँ पे मैं स्लाइस ग्राफिक्स कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट दिस सर्कल and here enter the circle of diameter 120, because radius is how much? 60, right? Now I want this circle to pass through these two endpoints. One is this one and another one is this one. So before that I will make this line as a project geometry, right? Now select this coincident constraint command, click here, select this one point and select this curve, select this second point and select this curve. Okay, right. Now I do not want this part from these two endpoints. Okay, so for that purpose I will click here trim option, select this, तो वो line चला जाएगा, वो curve चला जाएगा, right? Again I do not want from this point in this direction. So what I will do is, before that what I will do is, I will draw one line from this point to this point. Now I can trim that. Here it is trim option, click here, right? तो मैंने क्या किया है, ये ऐसा एक sketch निकाला है, right? So this is the sketch. Now this sketch I want to revolve. So now click here revolve option, automatically it will select that surface, right? Now I want to select this axis of revolution. So my axis of revolution is this one, right? And for 360 degree we have to revolve that part. So here it is 360. Click OK button. If you see here, the structure is like this, but there is a little mistake. This part should be at the bottom. We have drawn it on upper side. So here is little mistake. Okay, so that part should be at the bottom. So here it should be. Okay, so this is circle. The radius is 60, so diameter will be 120, right? and I want to pass this circle from 2 points. So use this coincident constraint, select this point and select this circle, select this point and select this circle, right? From this point I will mark one line up to this, right? And next I want to trim this one, ये trim किया मैंने, right? And again I can trim one part like this, right? Now click this finish and revolve option, automatically it will select that, and for axis I can select this line. Okay, so this is my line, this one is my line, right? So click OK. Now you can check that part. So this is my shaft. Okay, save करो उसको, save it in one folder wherever you want, right? ऑलरेडी मैंने सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है इसलिए ये shaft यहाँ पे सेव किया मैंने, right? Next part is what? Again standard, create. What is next part? The fourth part is disc here of dimension 50 mm diameter, and we have to extrude it by 15. Okay, so here it is the disc, right? Circle, here it is 50 mm, we have to extrude it by 15. Okay, so here it is 15, right? And if you see here, there is a curve like structure, and the dimension of that curve, it is like a saucer. Okay, it is like a saucer, right? So dimension of that is nothing but the radius 60, right? So जैसे हमने शाफ्ट के लिए किया था उसी तरह हम लोग यहाँ पे करेंगे, बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अलग मेथड है. So this is, I will select this YZ plane perpendicular to this disc, and it should pass through the center of the disc. Okay, so it is like this. Create sketch, then slice graphics. Okay, slice graphics, right? Now circle, and the diameter is how much? It is 120. Okay, diameter is how much? 120. Now I want to pass these 2 points, one is this one and one is this one, from this circle. Okay, so before that I will make this line as a project geometry. Select this coincident constraint, select this point, select this circle, again second point and select this circle, right? Now again same procedure जो shaft के लिए किया था हमने. This one I don't want. Again I will make one line from this point up to this point, and again I will trim this part, right? Finish sketch and revolve. अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? मटेरियल रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, राइट? एंड दिस इज माई एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन, and I want to remove the material, so in this way I can remove it. Okay, click OK. This way I can make it, right? Later on this disc there is a one pinhole of dimension same here. So pinhole is of dimension 4 mm diameter and 6 mm deep, right? Because here the pin is how much? 4 mm diameter and 12 mm long. So it will go 6 mm in this part and 6 mm in this disc. Okay, so here it is. So that too in this bottom part, not from the saucer part, right? Saucer like structure. So select this face, create new sketch, right? The distance is how much? 15 mm from the center. So center, and here it is 15 mm. Okay, circle. The structure is like this. It is 4. Okay, it is 4, right? Next one, finish sketch, then extrude. I want to cut the material, and the distance is how much? Deep how much? 6. So this is 6, right? So in this way I can make one hole, right? So this is what my disk is, right? Again save it in that same folder. Okay, already I have drawn it, so I will skip this part. Next one, the last part is pin. It is very simple. The dimension of that pin is how much? The 4 mm diameter, 4 mm diameter, and again how much extrude we have to extrude by 20, sorry 12. It's not 20, it's 12. So this is 12. Okay, right? So this way my pin is there. Again save it. So already मैंने सेव किया हुआ है. So in this way, this is the part modeling. Though these are the parts of this footstep bearing. In this way we can make a parts. Now उसका assembly कैसे करेंगे? We will see that in next video. Thank you so much.